Hi, it's Jessica Wade with YWAIT Agency. You did it! You have made it to the end of the Automated Swag Store tutorial. If you've made it this far, then you've learned how to set up and launch your automated swag store. Use your CRM powered by Go HighLevel to collect the leads and build a database. Automate your post sale reviews, reactivate your contact list for repeat sales, and even start turning this into a client acquisition offer for your business. That's a big deal. Hopefully, by this point, you've either launched your swag store, started getting your first few leads, or maybe even had your first sale. So, if so, congratulations. That's the progress. That's a progress worth celebrating. But if you haven't just been watching without taking any action, that's okay too. Now's the time to hit pause, go back to the first module, and start implementing because knowledge alone isn't power. Implementation is. The only difference between knowing and winning is executing. Here's what I want you to do next. If you built your first swag store, go use or used any of the automations successfully. Share it. Go to our YWAIT community, tag at YWAIT Agency, or shoot a quick success video and showing your results and send it our way. No win is too small to celebrate. We'll feature you on our page, boost your business out. Every step you take inspires someone else who may be watching to get started. And honestly, seeing your success story means the world to me and my team. Feel free to leave us our feedback. You'll find a feedback form link at the bottom of this video. Tell us what worked, what you built, and how this tutorial helped you grow your business. The feedback helps me shape new tutorials and automation and marketing strategies to help you go even further. At YWAIT, our mission is to help small businesses automate growth and complete with and basically compete with those big players without the burnout, without the breaking of your bank and all of those hassles that come with it. Every automation you build, every client you help pushes that mission forward. Your part is something bigger. Our community of creators, doers, and digital problem solvers who are raising the standard for local businesses, marketing tools, and lookalikes. So your part is huge in that community. Take a big action, implement boldly, and celebrate every win, no matter how small. Because when everyone else is waiting, you're the one who's actually doing. If you're ready to take the next step and learn and apply it across your business, head over to ywaiagency.com. You'll find a multitude of services that you maybe haven't tapped into yet, from automation setup services, your CRM services, branding design and funnels, and client getting strategies, and access to next level trainings. Thank you so much for going through this journey through the Automated Swag Store tutorial. I can't wait to see what you build next, and I will see you in the next module.